Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix File Explorer not opening in Windows 11 tense. Step 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard and select Task Manager. Click on the File tab and select Run New Task. Type Explorer and click OK. Minimize or close File Explorer, then right-click on Windows Explorer under Apps and select Restart. Step 2. Reset File Explorer settings. Open the search menu, type File Explorer options, and select it from the results. In the General tab, click Restore Defaults. Go to the View tab and click Restore Defaults and Reset Folders, then click Yes when prompted. In the Search tab, click Restore Defaults, then click Apply and OK. Step 3. Run System File Checker SFC Scan. Open the search menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. Type SFC Scan out and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This may take some time. Once the scan is complete, close the command prompt and restart your computer. After following these steps, your File Explorer should be working properly again. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped, and I look forward to assisting you in the next one. Goodbye.